Here's my cookie decorating setup. So I made these using the projector because I'm not great at drawing. So this is my latest and favorite projector. It's the AAXA. It's got really easy to use control buttons. Let's turn it on with the power right there. I've got it connected to my tablet, which I'll explain in a second. And you can also use a controller. Menu, so you can connect it with USB, with HDMI, or you can mirror. My favorite way is with Wi-Fi. Once you've connected to Wi-Fi, you need an app, if you don't already have it on your tablet, called AirPlay TV. So just click on ATV, that's the app that I just mentioned, and it should be connecting to the projector. And you'll see a message that just says start recording or casting. So I just press start now, and you'll see that it just projects the image from the projector through the Wi-Fi. So it's projecting the screen that we see, so we can go back. The next app that I like is Camera Lucidia, or AR Lucidia, which looks like this on an Android. You can see that the image comes up. It's in my gallery. It's very easy to find. Just pick up any images from your gallery. And I can rotate the image, I can turn it around. I want it upside down because the projector is projecting upside down. So 1 second, so you'll see. There you go, the image comes out upside down. And then you can actually, I like this app because you can like pinch the screen to change the sizing. But this is what I use to trace and draw on it. And that'll be in an upcoming tutorial. This is my go-to projector that I've been using. I love its versatility, how reliable it is, and all the different options, especially Wi-Fi. Let me know if you have questions, and happy decorating.